Hello. Good morning, fellow trader. This is your boy Kalega on your screen once again. So, guys, today I want us to look at candlestick. Candlestick. The topic today is candlestick. So, how to read candlestick, how to understand the meaning of candlestick, like what the candlestick are saying on the chart. You see, as we the beginner trader like you and I, you normally hear of some candlestick or candlestick confirmation, but you don't know what the candlestick actually interpret on the chart. So today, like I just want to share my knowledge or my idea with you, the meaning of this candlestick. So today we're just going to look at four or at least five candlesticks. So the first one is hammer, the second is bullish engulfing, the third is bearish engulfing, and the fourth one is doji. So let's quickly jump on this. I don't want this video should be actually long, so but if you are watching this video now and it makes sense to you, please kindly subscribe to the channel and drop your view in the comment section. So let's see our mistake and let's see how we can rectify our mistake on this video. Okay guys, so let's quickly jump on this. So first of all, let's look at hammer. If they talk about hammer, what does hammer mean? But okay, let's know what is the meaning of candlestick first. So for layman understanding, I just want to let you know that the candlestick are just interpreting the price on the chart. So these are just the prices. So anytime you hear of candlestick, it's not something just you need to be thinking or something complicated, but just the price, because this one forex marketing is just like trading. So what do you use to trade? You use price, money to trade, you see. So over here you cannot see the real money on the chart, so you need to represent the price with what? With this candlestick. So the first one you're coming to look at is the hammer. So what is the interpretation of hammer on the chart? You see that in the forex market it deals with what? Buy and sell. You buy and you sell, you buy and you sell. So first of all, hammer here is just interpreting that the sellers sell the market from the top to the down, and right now as the market traded down here, the buyers too came to the market, you see. So as the buyers came to the market, they need to reject those sellers, so they started rejecting those sellers from here up to here. So they opened their own price over here and they close it over here. So the moment you see this hammer candle, it's just telling you that this long rejection over here is telling you that the buyers are now rejecting the market because the heavy pressure of the sellers is now trying to consume. The buyers are ready to consume what? The selling pressure in the market. So right now they are rejecting the price of the what? Of the sellers. Hope you understand. So the rejection started from here to here, and the buyers open their own price, you see. So as the buyers open their own price, that means the next candle that will form, it is the buyers that will do what? That will dominate the market. So anytime you see a candlestick like this candlestick normally happen at the bottom on your support, you see. So anytime you see a candlestick like this, it's just simply telling you that the buyers are here to dominate the market. So it's a sign of what? A reversal pattern, which means that the buyers are not coming to what? To dominate the market. So you now change your mind from sell to buy. So let's quickly move to another one. Okay, good. So it's like that. So let's quickly move to another one where we see bullish engulfing. So if they talk about guys, don't mind my drawing, okay? Don't mind my drawing, but let's try to listen to this. So the second one is bullish engulfing. When they talk about bullish engulfing, you all know that in forex market we call something the bulls and we call something the buyers. So anytime you hear the bulls, it's just talking about the buyers. I hope you understand, the buyers or uptrend market. So what will happen before bullish engulfing will close? That means if the sellers are selling the market from the top, the sellers are selling the market from the top and the market reach on your support, you could see that right now the buyers are ready to come to the market, because in the forex market it's not only one person market where you'll be just selling. No, if you sell you need to buy. Hope you understand. And if you buy you need to sell. That is how the forex market works. So if the sellers sell the market from the top to the down, right now it's reached the turn of the buyers to come to the market. So you see that on your support you see a candle like this, a candle green like this. The reason why I represent this thing with green candle is that this is the basic one for us as the beginners to understand. So anytime you see a red candle, it means sell, and anytime you see a green candle it means buy. So here is the bullish engulfing. So the bullish engulfing here, the meaning or the psychology behind the bullish engulfing is simply telling you that right now the buyers are ready to dominate the market. I hope you understand. Right now the buyers are dominating the sellers in the market. So you could see that your selling pressure is now exhausting or is now consuming. So right now the buyers are coming to take over the market. So this is the low and the buyers open the price over here, and they cross it over here, and this is the high. You see, so that is simply the meaning of what engulfing. So let's come back here and look at what the engulfing, or what I'm actually trying to say. You could see that the sellers started selling the market over here. These are the sellers. From the beginning, I just said, if you see the red candle means sellers. You see that sellers are in the market over here. They sold the market from here up to here. So as they reach here, you see that this candle is a big candle, big candle. But I see that the last candle that form over here is very small. That means the momentum of the sellers are now reducing. I hope you understand that. So you can see that the next candle that form over here, this candle fully closed over this one. I hope you understand. You see, this is the high of this candle, the red one. You see, this is the high of this one, and you can see that this green candle closed and covered all this small red candle over here. So the moment this thing happened, then it's not giving you a signal that okay, the bulls are now over, or the bulls now dominate the market. So right now the market is no more the type of sellers market, or it is no more selling market, but it is now coming to be what? To be a buyers market, because right now buyers are now coming to dominate the market. The buyers are now coming to take over the market. So that is the psychology behind what? A bullish engulfing, as you can see it over here. You see, because the reason why I did this one is that normally this is a bullish engulfing, but you not see it isolated over here on the chart. You see it with what? With these candles. I hope you understand. You see with these candles, but this one normally happen on your support, because on your support you buy. On your support you buy. That is layman definition, or if you want to understand forex, on your support you buy, and on your resistance you do what? You sell. So that is the psychology behind what? Bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle. That means the bulls are what? Are ready to what? To dominate the market. And as you can see it over here, these are the sellers and these are the bears. These are the bears. So the bears are in the market from here, coming down, and right now the bulls are ready to take over the market. So that is the meaning of what? Bullish engulfing candle. So let's quickly move to the next candle, which is what? The bearish engulfing. So as you quickly hear the name bearish, that means the sellers are in the market. I hope you understand. So right now the sellers are now coming to what? To dominate the market. So let's quickly see something over here. This is the bulls. I hope you understand. You see, people started buying the market over here. So as the market reached at the top over here, right now the sellers are saying that no, the price that you people are what? Are giving us, we don't like it. So right now the sellers want to dominate the market. So the sellers are coming more into the market, and you could see that this is the last buyer in the market. I hope you understand. But the seller that come over here is, or the sellers that came over here, they are now what? They are plenty. They are more than what? This recently what? Or previous what? Buyers. So over here you could see that the sellers have upper hand over the market. That is why it is bearish what? Engulfing. The bears have now engulfed the what? The buyers in the market. Hope you understand. So you see it over here. The bears, so the market over here, the bulls take over. So as the bulls take over, they started running it at the top over here. And the bulls cannot take over the market forever. No matter how it is, the bears also need to come. So right now the bears come over here and take over the market again. So that is why you see what? You see a bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing. So anytime you see or a trader mention, or your fellow trader mention bearish engulfing, that means it's just, they're just saying that the buying pressure in the market is not trying to exhaust. You see, the buying pressure is not trying to exhaust. So right now the sellers are now able to what? To take over the market. So you can see that this candlestick normally represents what? A change reversal, because you could see that if the buyers are in the market, moving the market up, and all of a sudden the sellers appear and they take over the market, that means the trend here, which is the uptrend, is about to change to what? To a downtrend. I hope you understand that. So, okay, quickly let's move to the next candle, which is the doji candle. So the doji candle over here is talking about indecision. So if they say indecision, that means one person, or we don't have a certain decision yet over what? Over the price. You see, so indecision simply means that you and I is fighting over a price. Maybe I want to buy $10, you also want to buy $10. So we are now fighting over the price. So you could see that over here, the buyers in the market is the same as the sellers in the market. These are the sellers and these are the buyers. So here is your neutral. You see, so if a candle close like this, is telling you that nobody have upper hand over the market. That is the meaning of a doji. So a doji is always indecision candle. Indecision means nobody decide yet whether the buyers are having the upper hand in the market or the sellers are having upper hand in the market. That is why it's indecision candle. So dojis are always indecision candle. The sellers over here, you can see that it's the same as what the buyers over here. So if a candle close like this, you don't need to take any action in the market. You need to wait for the next candle that will close. So the next candle that will close is now coming to give you the signal or the clue that okay, both the sellers and the buyers were fighting over the price. I hope you understand. Both of them are fighting over the price, and right now they fight finish. So the next candle that close are the person or the people that will dominate the market. So if you see it over here, this is what? This is the selling pressures. The market is been selling from the top here to the down here, and on your support over here, you could see that this candle closed over here. The doji candle closed over here. That means indecision, both the sellers and the buyers and the market. So the next candle that will close, if it's close to be green, that means the buyers are now trying to what? To dominate the market. So you start to what? To buy the market over here. And the same thing happened over here. If you see that the buyers are in the market and they reach on your resistance over here, and you see that doji candle close, that means there's indecision. The buyers want to come to the sellers want to come to the market, but the buyers still don't want to agree. So the next candle that will close will give you what? Will give you the clue that okay, these are the people in the market. So that is the meaning of what? Doji candle too. You see, so you have looked at 4 candles, and let's come back to hammer. You see, hammer, we have opposite of hammer, and we call it hanging man. And this one normally happen at what? At resistance, and the hammer normally happen on your support. So guys, if you don't understand support and resistance, kindly go to my previous video. I have explained something on support and resistance over there, and if it makes sense to you, please drop your view in the comment section and let's see how we can do it so that better video will reach you out there. So if you don't understand anything over here too, guys, please, I want that positive energy, drop the view in the comment section. Let's do it. Let's learn this thing together, and I believe it's a good start. So let's keep the energy high and everything will be fine. I wish you all a very bright day, and if you're listening to this or if you're watching this video now, know that you're also part of this family, and I love you, and I know you also love me out there. Kindly have a blessed day. Love you all. Bye bye.